Nithini guys, nithi uPritha kabuyele ekhaya noma nithi akabekezele. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 10th to the 14th of October 2022 on Monday. Pretty is ready for a good time with her boo, but instead met by her worst nightmare. Who will take the crown between Liwatle and Tswake? Litetwe, as bravery is repaid with much disappointment on Tuesday. Lehasa is forced to choose between the love of his life and his freedom. Masajadi is left with some serious food for thought after Principal Mahongwa gives her a talking to. Elizabeth encounters a dreamy new young man at the hospital on Wednesday. Kwezi tried to play the seduction card but failed dismally. Mr. Homo put a certain TEF employee in their place. MaNtuli draws Guaido an ultimatum about his career on Thursday. With the trial looming, Lehasa fears it is the end for him. The literacy project has Guaido all fired up. Something is off about Dr. Tobachale's new patient on Friday. Lehasa's looming trial wreaked havoc in his personal life. Guaido is at a loss for words when Marodi changes his mind. Lucy's flirtatious ways land Melita in trouble. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.